I got these candles at a garage sale for $5, and I thought they were really cool, and they have lights inside, and of course you can plug them in. You can also dim them if you want. The only things I didn't like about, well, I shouldn't say the thing I did not like about them is the light bulbs. They take a lot of energy now compared to LEDs, and they're not flickering. And so I wanted to change out the light bulbs for the flickering ones and LED, but then I realized that the wires in between them are so short, I can't spread them apart. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking out the light bulbs completely. There's just these little screws on here and they just come right out. So you unscrew them and you pop out the light bulb. And I think what I'm going to do is use Kara Walker's, I hope I'm saying her right name, Kara's, and I'm going to put the link in the description of her candles. And I took one of her classes and it was super fun, and these are so boring, so I'm going to make them look better. And I have some battery operated flickering flame lights that I'm going to put here on the bottom, and then I'm going to put them on my piano up there, and hopefully that will give it a cool effect. And I'm also going to maybe eventually wire them up to do the flickering effect, but just make the wires longer from each candle. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and I think it's going to turn out better than these boring looking ones. So I've already started these candles and I'm not finished yet, and I'm going to do all the rest. I have 4 more, so it's not going to take very long. I'm going to do the glue sticks, and then after the glue sticks I'm going to mix the paint over here with the glaze. Well, no, and then I spray paint it, let it dry, paint and glaze, wipe it on, wipe it off, and then it's done. So it's exactly, this is the one right here that I made with Kara Walker when she taught it. And like I said, I'll put the link in the description. This is the PVC pipe one, and I'm probably gonna make like 100 more of these. But for the time being, I got these at a garage sale. They were ugly, they were old. You saw the video, so I'm just making them better. And then I'm gonna put them all over the piano with some pumpkin lights that I have. And I think it's gonna be amazing. And so, without any ado, okay, yeah, I'm a dork. I am gonna go burn my fingers now. There they are, all painted. This is just the first coat, and I'm going to do a second coat. Alright, while these are drying over there, I'm going to get ready to make the glaze. And I have it right here. So we have the glazing here, and then I have some paint here. And it's 4 parts glaze with 1 part paint. And I'm going to mix it together into that container, and then that way I can put a lid on it and save it for later if I make any more. And that is what I'm going to do right now. Alright, the next step is to add the glaze that we made. So here it is, and here's the candle. So what you'll do is you put the glaze on the paintbrush and you paint it. I like getting it in the nooks and crannies, so there's some good shadowing. And once you paint it on there, and I get the inside too, you get a wet washcloth and wipe it off. And there's a dry, not washcloth, but paper towel. Dry it off, and then you use a soft brush and kind of work it in there. And you just keep going over and over and over for each one. So I got these pumpkin lights off Amazon, and they're just battery operated. I did leave the holes underneath the candles in case I wanted to hook up some wires and put some light bulbs in there, probably LED lights. But I had these and I thought they were pretty cool. They come with a remote and timers. You can do candle or light. So you just turn it on, and I have it on candle right now. And then you just place them in the candles carefully. So they're a little hard because they're so big. But they go like that, and then I have 6 of them, and you can't tell right now because it's too light.
So we're pulling down 48 hours.
It's a little better there. You can see what it looks like. And I think it looks really cool. I have dirty candles. It's kind of the look I was going for. And I'm going to put them on my piano or on my mantle, and I'm going to light them up and unlight them whenever I want.